To assess the safety distance on the left side, observe the lower edge of the driver's side window. When this lower edge aligns with the left edge line of the road, the distance between the left side of the vehicle and the road edge is approximately 1 meter. This is a very safe lateral distance. Safe enough that even if a nearby car opens its door normally, it's unlikely to result in contact. This positioning is suitable for everyday parking while maintaining a safe gap. For aligning the car centrally on the left side, use the angle formed by the left A-pillar and the windshield as a reference. When this angle aligns with the left road edge, the left wheels are approximately 50 centimeters from the edge. This is a standard driving distance and helps drivers who tend to veer off center. It creates a better sense of centered alignment and prevents the car from drifting too far to the left. To judge the extreme left limit, use the left edge of the steering wheel, which corresponds to the 9 o'clock position. When the extended line from the 9 o'clock point aligns with the left road edge, the left wheels are either touching or already on the edge line. In this case, a slight rightward adjustment is needed. To judge the extreme right limit, use the right edge of the steering wheel, the 3 o'clock position. When the extended line from the 3 o'clock point aligns with the right road edge, the right wheels are either touching or directly on the line. This reference is particularly useful when passing on narrow roads or navigating through tight lanes, as it helps accurately determine your car's right side position and avoid scrapes. To evaluate the safe distance on the right side, observe the right wiper pivot point, usually a visible rivet from the driver's view. When the extended line from this pivot point aligns with the right road edge, the distance between the right side of the car and the edge is about 40 centimeters. This is a relatively safe passing distance. When parking close to the curb, this same pivot point can be used. As soon as the pivot point aligns with the curb, slowly adjust the steering and continue moving forward with the pivot point following the edge of the road. At that point, the right wheels are roughly 30 centimeters from the curb, an ideal distance for parallel parking.